Kidnappers commenced contact with their families and they started negotiation. So we were able to rescue 2 that same day, but they held on to 1, the decoy, and to them. And in the course of that, we were able to apprehend one of the kidnappers who led us to their hideout.
He told me, say, make I follow and go somewhere, make see the work what I want to do. So that day I don't know what to work, I follow him. I say I follow, I go meet to one man. He say, you want kidnap and if you no give him money. So now in them I carry 100,000 give him.